If you want to hack a modern autonomous vehicle or an aerospace drone, you don't necessarily have to crack its software firewalls. These are cyber-physical systems. Hackers can skip the code entirely and attack the physical hardware. Imagine an attacker stealing a system's master encryption keys by drilling directly into the printed circuit board, using a microscopic probe to tap a copper signal wire hidden between the physical layers. For decades, the primary defense against this kind of physical intrusion was document-based systems engineering. Teams wrote massive PDF manuals filled with natural language security rules to guide the hardware layout. But English is inherently open to interpretation. A hardware engineer trying to save manufacturing costs might reroute a signal line or add a debug pin, completely unaware that their choice violates a software team's security parameter. A catastrophic physical vulnerability gets built right into the board. Early attempts to fix this with model-based systems engineering, specifically SysML version 1, fell short. Its models were largely static pictures and diagrams. They couldn't be mathematically evaluated by a computer. Because the system couldn't test itself, critical hardware flaws were only discovered at the very end of the production cycle, usually during the physical testing of a multi-million-dollar prototype. To stop these late-stage discoveries, the engineering process has to move away from drawing descriptive pictures. It has to build testable mathematical engines that treat physical components as calculable data. That is the explicit purpose of SysML version 2. It introduces a concept called system as code. Instead of relying on separate diagrams and text files, the entire physical and logical architecture is written and managed exactly like software source code. Let's look at a standard text-based security requirement, a rule stating that external communication lines must be minimized to protect the system's internal encryption keys. SysML v2 forces engineers to strip the ambiguity out of that sentence and translate it into first-order logic. The language parser breaks that text down into strict formal syntax. It defines a measurable attribute for the actual exposed lines on the board and sets a mathematical constraint against the maximum allowed lines. By converting a subjective guideline into a Boolean equation, the model creates an objective boundary. A machine parser can now automatically evaluate the physical design without any human interpretation. But for a mathematical rule to be useful, it needs to know what the physical hardware is actually doing. This maps out a SysML v2 architecture. Inside the main microcontroller block is a dedicated hardware security module, or HSM, holding sensitive data. Through allocation, SysML v2 dynamically tethers our mathematical constraints directly to the physical parameters of this HSM block. This connection forms a live digital thread. The physical layout of the circuit board is now instantly accountable to the mathematical logic of the security rule. Let's say a layout engineer is working on this board. For testing convenience, they decide to add a new physical debug pin, and they push their design updates to the central server. Because the system is treated as code, that single commit triggers an automated continuous integration pipeline. The server instantly parses the underlying math of the entire model. The pipeline detects that the number of actual exposed lines on the board is now 3. It evaluates that data against the required threshold of 2. The equation returns a strict false. The engineer immediately receives a hard block on their screen. The design merge is halted, accompanied by a precise alert flagging the hardware security violation. A physical vulnerability that would have taken millions of dollars and months of prototyping to discover was caught and neutralized in seconds, entirely inside the digital model. Moving security verification from the final stages of a physical build to the absolute beginning of the design phase is known in software as shift-left testing. With SysML v2, physical hardware architecture can finally utilize this methodology. Advanced automated theorem provers can now read the system code and mathematically prove that the hardware will remain secure against thousands of unpredictable operational paths. By embedding these proofs into the architecture, security parameters are verified the moment the first line of system code is written. And the engineering language is already evolving to handle complex probabilistic risks that don't fit neatly into a true or false equation. Researchers are integrating fuzzy logic directly into the system's math. Through uncertainty modeling, live digital twins of an aircraft will continuously calculate the risk profile of unknown external attacks in real time. This code-centric approach provides the logic required to verify a machine's integrity long before it ever leaves the digital screen.